In the expansive landscape of financial management tools, accounting software plays a pivotal role for businesses of all sizes. When discussing these tools, it's common to categorize them based on their deployment, features, or the size of the businesses they serve. This brings us to a specific question. Is Kashoo one of the 3 types of accounting software? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that Kashoo isn't a type of accounting software itself, but rather an example of a particular type of accounting software. This is an important distinction. Just as sedan is a type of car and Toyota Camry is an example of a sedan, Kashoo fits into a broader classification within the accounting software ecosystem. To truly understand where Kashoo fits, let's first clarify what the 3 types of accounting software generally refer to. While classifications can vary slightly depending on the source, common categories often revolve around desktop accounting software on-premise. What it is? This is traditional software that you purchase and install directly onto your computer or a local server. The data is stored locally, giving you full control over your information. Updates are often manual or require purchasing new versions. Who it's for? Businesses that prefer to have their data stored in-house for security or regulatory reasons, those with unreliable internet access, or companies that have specific customization needs that are easier to achieve with locally installed software. Examples: older versions of QuickBooks Desktop, Sage 50, Peachtree, Microsoft Dynamics GP. Cloud-based accounting software, SaaS software as a service. What it is? This type of software is hosted on remote servers by the provider and accessed via a web browser over the internet. You typically pay a recurring subscription fee, and updates, maintenance, and data backups are handled by the provider. Who it's for? Businesses that need flexibility to work from anywhere, collaborate with remote teams, prefer subscription-based pricing, or want to offload IT maintenance. This has become the dominant type for small and medium-sized businesses due to its convenience and accessibility. Examples: QuickBooks Online, Xero, FreshBooks, Zoho Books, and Kashoo. Enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems, often cloud or hybrid. What it is? ERP systems are much more comprehensive than standalone accounting software. They integrate various business functions into a single system, including accounting, but also inventory management, supply chain, human resources, customer relationship management, CRM, project management, and more. While traditionally on-premise, many modern ERPs are cloud-based or offer hybrid deployments. Who it's for? Larger businesses and corporations with complex operations, multiple departments that need integrated data, and those requiring advanced analytics and reporting across the entire organization. Examples: SAP, Oracle NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics 365. Where does Kashoo fit in? Based on these classifications, Kashoo firmly belongs to the second category, cloud-based accounting software. Kashoo is designed specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who need a simple, intuitive, and accessible way to manage their financial records. Its core features include online access. You can log into Kashoo from any web browser, and it also offers mobile apps for iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your books on the go. This is a hallmark of cloud-based solutions. Invoicing and billing. Create and send professional invoices, track their status, and accept online payments from clients. Expense tracking. Easily record and categorize expenses, often with the ability to attach receipts by simply taking a picture with your phone. Bank reconciliation. Connects to your bank accounts to automatically import transactions, making reconciliation a much faster process. Financial reporting. Generate essential reports like income statements, profit and loss, balance sheets, and general ledgers to understand your business's financial health. Multi-currency support. Useful for businesses dealing with international clients or suppliers. Simple user interface. Kashoo prides itself on being user-friendly, catering to business owners who may not have extensive accounting knowledge. Why Kashoo's type matters. Understanding that Kashoo is a cloud-based accounting software is important for several reasons. Accessibility. As a cloud solution, it allows you to access your financial data and manage your books from anywhere with an internet connection. This is incredibly beneficial for remote workers, business owners on the move, or those who need to collaborate with an accountant from a different location. Maintenance and updates. You don't need to worry about installing updates, maintaining servers, or backing up your data manually. The provider, Kashoo, handles all of that, ensuring you're always on the latest version with the most recent security patches. Collaboration. Cloud-based software facilitates easy collaboration with your accountant or bookkeeper, as they can securely log in and access your financial data in real time. Pricing model. Like most cloud software, Kashoo typically operates on a subscription basis, monthly or annually, which can be an operational expense rather than a large upfront capital expenditure, making it more accessible for small businesses. Scalability. While Kashoo is designed for small businesses, cloud solutions generally offer scalability to accommodate growth, though you might need to upgrade your subscription plan as your needs evolve.